How to delete your YouTube account on Android. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, launch your YouTube application. Now, since our YouTube account and our Gmail account are interlinked with each other, we need to delete our Google account in order to delete our YouTube account. Select on the U option at the bottom right. Now, when you tap on the U option, at the very top, in your right hand side, you will see a setting icon. From all of this option, select the option of account. You need to select the option of manage account, which will be at the bottom. Now from this list, you have to select the Gmail account that is connected to your YouTube account. You will see this remove account option. Just tap on remove account. Once you do this, all the data related to this particular Google account will be removed from your device, and so will be your YouTube account. Isn't it simple? However, if you do not want to delete your YouTube account but rather switch account, it is pretty simple as well. Open up your YouTube account once again and tap on the U option. Right here, you will see the option of switch account. Tap on switch account and select the account that you want to sign in as your brand new YouTube account. And that is how you can easily delete your YouTube account or switch between the accounts. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.